Welcome to another episode of Dorian McGonigal Fine Art Nature Photographer. Today, we take you on a journey through the lush beauty of Washington's rainforests and explore the pioneering efforts in conserving these unique ecosystems. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more nature adventures and conservation stories. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the Olympic National Park, home to the magnificent Hoh Rainforest. Join me as we discover the incredible biodiversity, the conservation strategies in place, and how you can contribute to preserving these natural gems. Washington's rainforests are a global rarity. These temperate rainforests, thriving in the unique climatic conditions of the Pacific Northwest, are found in few places worldwide. The Olympic National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, hosts one of the largest of these rainforests in the United States. Here, you'll find a diverse array of tree species, such as Sitka spruce and western hemlock, which play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, helping combat global warming. Olympic National Park is a shining example of rainforest conservation. Its diverse habitats, from alpine meadows to temperate rainforests, underscore the importance of preserving these ecosystems for future generations. Within this park lies the Hoh Rainforest, a haven for nature lovers and a beacon of hope in conservation efforts. This lush greenery and abundant wildlife are a testament to what can be achieved when we prioritize the preservation of our natural world. Washington's rainforests are a hotbed of biodiversity, hosting a myriad of plant and animal species. These ecosystems provide invaluable services, from purifying air and water to sequestering carbon and offering habitat for wildlife. Conservation of these rainforests involves complex strategies, including habitat protection, species recovery programs, and sustainable tourism practices. However, challenges such as climate change, invasive species, and balancing recreational access with preservation persist. Local communities and indigenous peoples play a crucial role in rainforest conservation. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable management practices are vital for effective and long-lasting conservation outcomes. Climate change poses a significant threat to these delicate ecosystems. Rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns can disrupt the balance of these rainforests. Yet, they also act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 and helping to regulate the planet's climate. Tourism can raise awareness and generate revenue for conservation, but can also lead to environmental degradation. Sustainable tourism practices are essential to balance public access with preservation. Every individual can contribute to the conservation of Washington's rainforests. Support local conservation organizations, volunteer for cleanup or restoration projects, practice responsible tourism, and advocate for policies that protect these ecosystems. Thank you for joining Dorian McGonigal on this journey through the Hoh Rainforest. Your support and actions can make a significant difference in preserving these natural wonders. Don't forget to subscribe for more nature adventures and conservation stories. See you next time.